The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Destruction County, Autumn County, Trailer Park County, and North Pine County. At 3 p.m. a small tornado moving at 35 miles per hour with wind speeds up to 80 through 105 miles per hour. Take shelter now in a basement or shelter. If
no
you have
thanks.
none of those, go into a bathroom or closet and stay away from doors and windows.
Yeah.
If you are in a vehicle, find a nearby ditch and lay flat until the tornado has passed.
No thanks. No, I don't want to do that. Bye.